going to be so easy because today I'm going to use my microwave. Let's quickly see all ingredients we have. We have vinegar, milk, curd, oil, maida, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and red color to make it red velvet cake. Let's quickly get it made within 5 minutes. So first we take a bowl and mix milk and vinegar in a bowl. We have our milk and the vinegar. So now let's stir it. Mix the milk and the vinegar for 2 minutes and it's curdled. Now we'll add sugar, yogurt, oil, and the color to it. And now let's mix it again. And now it's time to add maida, cocoa powder, and baking soda. And stir it. Mix it well. And see, I have got my cupcake liners and my scoop ready. So now I will put I suppose we could make 5 cupcakes. So I have my one more liner ready. So now rest of the batter we put it in it. Now let's make it in the oven. Today we don't have oven, we have microwave. Let's take it to the microwave. We have a microwave ready over here. Let's place it one by one in the microwave and let it be baked for 50 to 70 seconds. Okay. So let's close it. And so first I'll put it for 1 minute. And after 10 minutes, we'll see 10 seconds. See, it's done. So now let's get the microwave and take out our cupcakes. And the last 2. And close the microwave. It's looking so delicious. Let's dust some cashew sugar on the cupcakes to make it look more attractive. So sugary. It's time to taste. It's a little hot, so let me keep it down. Wow, the fragrance is so nice. So now let's taste it. very tasty. Go and try it out. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share with friends and family, and subscribe. Bye bye. Don't forget to try it out. It's so tasty. Just take 5 minutes.